How to add payment components to screen flows in Salesforce. If you're using Salesforce screen flows, you already know how powerful they can be. You can guide your team through processes, automate logic, and collect information in real time. But what if you could also collect payments right inside your screen flow? With Kulturra, you can embed a live payment component directly into a Salesforce flow. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to add a payment component to your Salesforce screen flows and why it's a game changer. Part 1, what you'll need before you start. To get this set up, here's what you'll need. Salesforce, obviously, Kulturra's AppExchange app installed, an object to associate the payment with, such as an opportunity, order, or custom object, and a screen flow where you want the component to appear. Once you have that in place, the magic happens inside Flow Builder. Part 2, how to add the payment component in Flow Builder. Here's how it works. Step 1, open Flow Builder in Salesforce and create or edit your screen flow. Step 2, add a screen element onto the canvas where you want to collect the payment. Step 3, search for the payment terminal component and drop it into the screen. From there, you can configure the component properties. For example, set the record ID to link the payment to a specific opportunity, quote, or custom object, define the amount, currency, and payment methods available, and choose whether the payer is allowed to enter a custom amount or if it should be pre-filled. For a complete list of parameters, you can go to the link in the description. Hit save, activate the flow, and that's it. You now have a working real-time payment experience inside your screen flow. Part 3, what happens when a payment is submitted? When your user runs the flow and reaches the payment screen, they'll enter credit card, ACH, or other payment information directly inside the component. Once submitted, the transaction is processed via your configured gateway. The payment is then logged and attached to the relevant Salesforce record automatically. You can even trigger follow-up actions like sending receipts, updating statuses, or notifying your team. No external tools, no duplicate entry. Everything happens in Salesforce. If you want to turn your screen flows into money flows, embedding Kulturra's payment component is one of the easiest and most powerful upgrades you can make. Check it out in AppExchange today and make Salesforce work smarter for your business.